Welcome. So the question of today is, how many salt stones do I really need? You often see big bowls full of salt stones and some people think that's how many I need, but you really don't. Although, let me backtrack, it really depends upon how you're going to be using them. So there's two distinct ways that you can use salt stones in your massage practice. One, as a value-added service, where you don't charge for the work. You just include it in your session as a very subtle vein throughout the whole work, specifically with trigger points. It's wonderful bringing in those stones, bringing in that heat application when you're working trigger points. As we all know, trigger points hurt, and so being able to apply that heat when you're working them makes it so much more tolerable and comfortable, and actually very enjoyable for your clients when you're doing focused trigger point work. So that is the one aspect that you can work is as a value-added service. The other is as an add-on. So for instance, I know a lot of spas charge an extra $15, $20, $25, $30 to offer salt stone massage, and that's generally a protocol where from beginning to end there's usually some degree of usage of a salt stone in your work. And for that session, yes, you do need more than 6 stones. We do have, brand new now, our large bowl that has 15 stones. I'm very excited. We've been working on this one for a while. And I have to admit, trying it out last week when it arrived, it's actually really nice to have the extra stones. I've been fine with 6 stones for so long, but it was actually really nice having those extra ones to blend in what I wanted. But with the larger bowl, we have the gray stones, and I just wanted to take some time to show you the difference between the two, because this is another question we often get asked is this really salt? Because it kind of looks like a basalt stone. But it is actually Himalayan salt, as is this one. If I put them down here on the table, you can see the difference in the color. But this one has more iron and more magnesium in, which gives it the color. And this is just the generic Himalayan salt that does not have the extra magnesium or the iron in it. Now, because of the iron in the gray, it heats up a little quicker, and it heats up a little quicker, and it stays hotter a little bit longer. However, the temperature that these get and the length of time for the work I do is absolutely fine. And oftentimes it boils down to, what do you feel more drawn to? Do you feel more drawn to the gray, or do you feel more drawn to the pink? We do have gray stones available in our 6 bowl. The only one available in the large is the gray. So that was set right there. And I hope I answered your questions today in terms of how many stones do I need. And again, depends upon how you're going to be using them in your work. If you're just starting off, 6 is fine. If you've been doing it a long time, or you have a protocol that you have in your mind or you've trained for, and you know that you need a certain amount of stones, then I would go with a larger one. But either way, it's a great choice to incorporate salt stones with your massage. It's been an absolute game changer for me. I've been doing massage for 30 years, and for the last 17 I've been incorporating these stones, and it has truly changed my career and my work. My clients love them, so you've made a great decision. So check back later for any more questions and answers that we may have about salt stone massage and any other massage related questions. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.